In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reply with a meeting in Outlook. This is a super useful feature when someone emails you and instead of just typing a reply, you want to schedule a meeting directly from that email. It streamlines your workflow and helps you stay organized. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook and navigate to your inbox. Click on the email you want to respond to. This could be any email where you feel a meeting would be more productive than a written response. Once the email is open, look at the top right corner of the mail window. You'll see more options shown as 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to reveal additional actions you can take with this email. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Other reply options. This will expand to show you more ways to respond to the email. In that expanded menu, you'll see an option called Reply by Meeting. Click on it. A new meeting window will now open automatically. This window is already pre-populated with the email sender as an attendee, and the subject line will reference the original email, making it easy to track the context. Now, you can set up the date and time for the meeting. Click on the date field to choose when you want the meeting to happen. You can also adjust the start and end times based on your availability and the nature of the discussion. If you want to add more attendees, you can do so by typing their names or email addresses in the required attendees field. You can also add a location if it's an in-person meeting or include a Teams link if it's virtual. Once you've finished setting up all the meeting details, click on the Send button at the top of the window. This will send a meeting invitation to the person who emailed you, and they'll receive it as a calendar invite. And that's it. You've successfully replied to an email with a meeting in Outlook. This feature saves time and keeps everything connected, so you don't have to juggle between emails and calendar invites. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss more Outlook tips and tutorials.